everyone, it's Sherry. I hope that you are having a wonderful day. Y'all, I'm sharing today. Stay tuned. Welcome to my channel. I am so glad that you decided to stop by, and welcome to all of my new friends and to all of my new subscribers. Welcome back to all of my longtime friends and longtime subscribers. Thank you all so much, so very much for the wonderful ways in which you support me and my channel. Today I'm going to answer a commonly asked question about the papers that I use. But before I do, several of you have asked about the floral arrangement on my desk. Well, it's real flowers and they smell so fragrant. They were sent to me by my daughter, Megan, for Mother's Day, and she used a local florist here in the Charlotte area. And I just wanted to give a shout out to the florist because I don't know anything about them except that they do some of the most beautiful arrangements. My daughter has used them several times, and every time that I've gotten an arrangement from them, it's been prettier than the last one. And the arrangements are beautifully put together. The flowers are nice and fresh, and they last a very long time. So the name of the flower shop is Doghouse Flower Shop, and I'll have them linked in the description box below. They're located in the Charlotte, North Carolina area. If you're in the Charlotte area and you want to send some beautiful fresh flowers, go ahead and give the Doghouse Flower Shop a try, because speaking from personal experience, I can tell you that whoever you send these flowers to, they will not be disappointed. But y'all, the real reason why I'm here today is because I get so many questions about the beautiful papers that I use on my channel. And I'm not going to lie, the reason why I chose the name The Posh Paper Lady is because I love beautifully posh papers. So that's how my name pretty much came about. I used to have another name and then I changed it because posh papers, that's my jam. And so today I'm going to share with you how I find some of the posh papers that I use. So I am going to switch to my overhead camera because I do have some papers that I want to show you. I'm just using this one to cover the papers underneath. It is a beautiful paper. And this particular paper here, I did find at one of the local scrapbook stores in my area, and I found this paper a while back. So I would encourage you, go online and check to see if you have some brick and mortar scrapbook stores in your area. If you do, pay them a visit. It might not even be a fully scrapbook store. It might be a craft store that's not one of the big box stores. Go ahead and check them out because they do offer wide selections of paper that I think some of you might be interested in. So y'all have seen me use this paper before on the channel, and I think that it is very beautiful. And papers like that I can get from doing searches online, or I can visit Scrapbook Creations in Spartanburg, South Carolina. You guys have heard me talk about them before. For me, they are about a 50-minute, maybe 60-minute drive from where I'm located. And my sister and I, we're not opposed to a road trip if it means that we're going to find some beautiful papers. And a lot of you know that whenever I visit my daughter in Texas, we make it a point. We take a whole day and we visit scrapbook and craft stores so that I can pick up some things from the local area. So check out your surroundings and you'll be surprised at what you can find. But I wanted to share this with you because I found these papers at Hobby Lobby. And I frequently buy papers from Hobby Lobby. I love to buy their paper pads because they're so beautifully coordinated. But these two pads that I'm going to show you really caught my eye. And you'll notice the price on here. Well, I bought both of these pads at 40% off. So it was 40% off of $14.99 or 40% off of $15. And that brought this pad down to about $9. You get 30 sheets. So that means that each sheet in here will cost me about 30 cents to use. And that's how we can do economical paper crafting because we're buying our supplies when they're on discount. So I would be more than willing to pay more than 30 cents for one of these sheets. But based on how I bought this on the 40% off of $14.99, it was 30 cents. So I'm just going to do a quick flip through. And this paper really does have a foiling and satiny sheen to it, and it's single-sided, but it's really beautiful papers. You get 3 of each pattern, and look at how rich that is. So whenever I'm shopping for papers and I happen to be shopping in person, I really am looking for all season type papers, and normally I just let my eye determine what it is I'm going to purchase. If the color and some of the patterns grab my eye, then that paper pad will probably end up in my cart. But you can see how beautiful this will work together. So I am just going to flip to the next page so that you can see this page. All of it works, but look at how rich and vibrant these pages are, y'all. When I'm shopping for papers, I really am looking for papers that are all going to work together. And that's exactly what we have here. I can use all three of these patterns together, and whatever project I'm making, it's going to work. I can use these three papers together. It's going to work. I can use this page, and it's going to work. So I'm just giving you a quick flip through. And look at this beautiful, beautiful page. And this one as well. All of these have, I don't think it's gold foiling, but all of the pages have like a gold sheen to them, like they've been misted with some gold spray, and it's just beautiful. And that is really pretty. I haven't seen a paper in this pad yet that I personally don't like. And they're all playing off of this floral theme here. Nope, haven't seen a paper yet that I don't like. All of them are just beautiful. So that's it for this paper pad. You get all of these patterns in this pad, and you get 3 of each pattern. So this is a very good deal. These are the types of papers that catch my eye. I love florals, I love paisleys, I love stripes, I love polka dots. So whenever I see something that has complementary pages in it like this, that I know will work with the larger graphic prints, those are the types of papers that my eyes naturally gravitate towards. And if you're looking for this paper, the item number for Hobby Lobby is 224-1701. And then I picked up this one. It's also 40% off of $14. So this one has 60 sheets in it, and each sheet will actually cost me about 14 cents to use. And y'all, these are some beautiful sheets. So definitely some economical paper crafting. The item number for this one is 2000156. This is also a Hobby Lobby paper. Their papers are 40% off this week. Their papers are generally 40% off at least twice a month. So about twice a month, all items labeled The Paper Studio are usually on sale for 40 to 50% off. So that's when I'll pick up some paper. If I'm looking for paper, I'll make sure that I wait until those papers are on sale. But I like this pad. It's called Distress Floral. And the reason why I like it is because it does have a worn look to it. Again, you get 3 of each design. There are 20 designs in this book, and they all have that worn out, distressed look to them. So you get some very muted colors, but y'all, these colors will work for anything that I might be crafting. I can actually use these papers if I wanted to do some Christmas crafting. I can use these papers, some of these papers in here I can use for Father's Day. Some of them great baby album papers. There are just so many different ways that you can use a pad like this because the colors are so muted. But look at this beautiful gray. I can definitely use that in some of my Father's Day crafting. But again, you have papers that are designed to work well with one another. So if you find it challenging to match your patterns, buy a paper pad like this because the papers are fully designed to be interchangeable and work well with one another. And guess what? I just found out that I got a bonus sheet in this book because you get 3 sheets per pattern. I have 1, 2, 3, 4 of these. So every now and then I'll luck out and get a bonus pack. And that's exactly what I've gotten here. So I'm just showing you how these papers will look when we have them positioned next to each other. We have this beautiful wood plank with some inlay on it. Really, really nice, and it's distressed. So again, great for masculine paper crafting. Then we have this sheet here that'll work for masculine or feminine. It has a very muted mint color to it, very, very light. And I'm just flipping through because I want y'all to see the beautiful papers in this book. All of that will work so well together. I haven't gone through this book before this video. I just happened to like the cover. And then we have a map page. Oh wow. And then look at this one. This is gorgeous. I absolutely love it. I really wish this had been the one that I got the bonus sheet on because I love it, but we can match that up just so beautifully. Oh, got another bonus sheet. Y'all, I got another bonus sheet. 1, 2, 3, 4. So I really lucked out on this book, and I haven't been shortchanged on any of the other patterns, so I feel lucky. And I love this. Y'all know how I love blues. So this one really is catching my eye. And then we have another postal page. Got 3 of these, which is what I'm supposed to have. And again, it's beautiful. I don't know if you guys are able to see this as well as I am. Probably not. But trust me when I say these are some beautiful papers. Faint roses. Looks like a fence in the background, but very, very faint. Very well done. And these will make great background pages or focal pages for any project that you might be doing. I can see a page like this on a lady's diary. It would just be absolutely fabulous. And this script page is sort of intermingled with little flowers. Really, really pretty. This book seems to go on forever. But look at how pretty this is. Again, it's along a fence, but you have the faint pink roses. Then you have some overlaid print. Really well done. And this is the last page in the book. It is a floral page with some very faint flowers on it. A textile design here, some words, some splatter. It really is beautiful. So if you're in the US and you're new to paper crafting and you want to grow your paper collection, purchasing pads like this is the way to go because you get a sampling of a whole bunch of different things, but you get so many. You get 20 designs, 60 sheets. Right now you're able to get this pad for under $9, about $8.50 for this pad. And then $9 for this one. And so y'all, I have a total of 90 sheets for about $17. You really can't beat it. So if you are new to paper crafting and you happen to be in the US, or if you're not in the US and your local craft stores have pads like this, go ahead and check them out when they're on sale because it's a great way to grow that stash. So Hobby Lobby is one of the ways that I find papers. One of the biggest ways that I find papers, and I do this more than I do by going to a regional scrapbook store or by going to Hobby Lobby or Michael's. Y'all, I go online. I go to Google, and if I'm looking for something, then I'll type it in the search bar. So let's say I'm looking for a purple floral decorative paper. That's exactly what I type in the search bar. The more specific you can be, the more returns you're going to get on Google that are pretty much designed to meet what you've searched. Then I click on the images button, all purple flower paper. Try saying that over and over. But that's what I do. So when I click on the images, it's going to bring up a whole bunch of images of places that have paper that meet my search need. I just look at what catches my eye. Then I take a chance on papers or papers that have caught my eye, and I order a few sheets. When I get them, if I like them, then I go back and I order more. And y'all, the way that I come across beautiful papers, it's no big secret. I basically just search for what I happen to like. And I think doing that will work for you as well. So search for what you like. So I hope that sharing this has helped. If it has, y'all please hit the like button. And if you're not a subscriber to my channel, I'd love to have you join this amazing online crafting family. You guys, as always, please be safe, be kind, be the reason someone smiles today. Happy crafting, and we'll chat later. Bye.